Hi guys, Whitney and Cassie here with Interior Edit. We are showing you 5 ways to elevate your home.
No matter the size of your home, big or small, there are ways that you can elevate it, make it feel more curated and more inviting. So we're gonna show you how. Okay, the 5th and final way to elevate your home is through mixing wood.
Yes, we have clients all the time asking us, can I mix my woods? And the answer is yes, we really encourage it, in fact. It just makes the room feel more dimensional, it just gives more interest, and another way is because then you don't have to buy everything all at once.
It's nice to not have a set. It's much more curated and sophisticated looking to have different things that you've added to make your room come together.
So for instance, this room, we have these warm wood tones and a little bit more cooler wood flooring, but they actually complement each other really nicely. And another way to break up those wood tones if you have lots of wood in the same room is adding black wood. It just gives nice dimension, it breaks up the wood tones.
Yeah, so having the black with, you know, the little bit of pink here, the flooring, we've got white. Really, it all comes together and works really well to make this space look individualized and curated.
Don't be afraid to break the rules. These are the rules we're allowing you to break.